Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lights within the Among Us game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Among Us game on your device and go ahead and tap on the play button and start any game that you would like to play. Once you have joined your game and your game has started, if you need to fix the lights, then you will find the triangle option which will blink, letting you know the direction that you will need to go to in order to fix your lights. So simply tap on this button and follow the direction and you will be able to find the electrical circuit. Once you find the circuit, go ahead and tap on the use button, and now you will simply need to solve a small puzzle in order for the electric circuit to flow to the other direction. Once you have solved this puzzle, if there is error within any other electrical circuit, you will be guided to that direction, and after getting there and tapping on the use button, you will once again need to fix the electrical circuit. Use the switches at the bottom and solve the puzzle, and the lights within the game will be fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix lights within the Among Us game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.